More than 90% of the data which exists in the universe today has been generated in last 2 years. From smartphones capturing images and videos, to video surveillance devices, to self-driving cars. All of these devices are capturing images and videos which organizations need to make sense of if they truly want to capture the value in this data. And that technique is known as computer vision. In this workshop, we will teach you computer vision using Pytorch. Pytorch is one of the most recent development in the ecosystem of deep learning. Pytorch was open sourced as a library by Facebook, and it has gone on to become one of the favorite libraries for most of the practitioners in a very, very short duration. Now this workshop is being done by Fani Shrikant, or Binga as he is popularly known in our community. He is a data scientist with Reliance Jio, which is one of the biggest data network in India. And he is also one of the top data scientists in analytics with their community. He has personally attended the Fast AI course in University of San Francisco. And he has been using Pytorch for more than a year now. If there is one person who can teach you Pytorch, it is Binga. So let's look at the prerequisites of this workshop. So the beauty is that you don't need a knowledge of deep learning in order to go and attend this workshop. As long as you know Python and basics of machine learning, you're good to attend this workshop. Let's look at the structure of the workshop. So we'll start the day by looking at computer vision, what kind of applications can be built using computer vision. Next, we'll move to why Pytorch. We'll compare Pytorch against other popular libraries, bring its strengths and disadvantages in front of you. Next, we'll move to the fundamentals of deep learning. We'll start by building simple models like linear regression and logistic regression, and then move to MLP models and CNN architecture. By end of the workshop, you will have worked on multiple projects, and there will be a live hackathon at the end of the workshop where you will compete with other people who are participating in this workshop. So you'll start your day computer vision and its introduction, and by end of it you would have built models on it, and you will be building a skill which a lot of companies require. This workshop is going to happen on 24th as well as 25th of November, but the tickets are selling out fast. So I would suggest that if you have interest in deep learning and computer vision, go and book your tickets today. Thank you.